Hi guys, today I dare my mom to go outside in her bathing suit in this frigid weather and make snow angels and play in the snow and dump it all over herself. Now, she doesn't know I'm going to dare her, but she can't deny it. It's really cold. Brrr. Hope you do get frostbite, Mom.
Right now we are at a beautiful 17 degrees, and I hate cold, so like 50 something is cold to me. And it feels like 1 degree, and snow is accumulating rapidly, and I am going to do this stupid endeavor. God help me. I'll make it quick so I don't get frostbite in any strange places, and I will be back. Okay folks, as you can probably see, the snowflakes are falling, and my lovely daughter is giving me a dare. And there's probably, I don't know, my husband says about 4 inches. He was in his coat and everything. Couldn't wait to get inside the house, and he used to work all night long delivering papers, so that's not a good sign if it's that freezing, but we'll see what happens.
Here goes Ma, crazy in the snow. Uh-oh, look at this. Mikayla, you better not be at that window.
Mikayla, I'm gonna kill you! Very funny, Mikayla. Thanks for the